Making money online has become easier than ever before. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash on the side, or are hoping to turn your online hustle into a full-time gig, there are plenty of opportunities out there. In this video, we'll explore some of the best ways to make money online. One of the most popular platforms for earning money is through surveys. By completing surveys, watching videos, and shopping online, you can earn points that can be exchanged for gift cards or cash through PayPal or bank transfer. Another great platform for earning money through tasks is Sprout Gigs. This platform connects businesses and individuals with workers who can complete small tasks, such as data entry or transcription. While the pay per task is typically low, completing multiple tasks can add up to a significant amount of money. If you're looking for a platform that specializes in surveys, consider signing up for Paytera. This platform offers a wide range of surveys on various topics, and pays in cash or gift cards. The more surveys you complete, the higher your payout will be. Finally, if you're looking for a platform that offers a mix of surveys and tasks, check out Paidwork. This platform pays users to take surveys, watch videos, and play games. You can earn cash through PayPal. And when you use my invitation link and withdraw your first €10, you get €10 for free on top. With so many platforms available, earning money through online surveys and tasks has never been easier. While it may not be a full-time income, but it can be a great way to make some extra cash in your spare time. Links to survey and task apps in the description.